Hi, I just wanted to make this video for anyone that is having trouble submitting their mile run or cardiovascular assignment. So to start from the home page, you're just going to click on modules. And then for modules, it'll take you to your current week of work. And then the cardiovascular day or Metaconda workout is normally on Wednesdays/Thursdays, depending upon which class you're in. So if you click on the cardiovascular day, the assignment instructions should show up, and it's worth 10 points, and it's normally due by the end of the day at 11:59 p.m. So your instructions are you must run a minimum of 1 mile at one time. You can't break it up into different pieces, just go out and do it one time. And then track it on your cellular device, so your cell phone. You can use Nike Run Club or you can use Strava. And then what you'll do after that is you will screenshot your completed run, and you must show the date, the duration, the distance, and the running map. And I'll show you an example in just a few moments. And if you're using Nike Run Club, at the end of your run, make sure you share the route on your Nike feed, and I will show you the instructions on that in case you're not sure how to find that. And then you can submit the screenshot into this assignment submission box, and do not email this to me. Okay, make sure that you are submitting everything in this assignment box. And the assignment box is going to be right here. You click the blue button and you'll be able to submit it. So you have 3 different options for the run. You can run outside. And in order to run outside, just track it on your phone. You can read through the instructions. You get 2 points awarded for distance, 3 points awarded for the running map. So I need to actually physically see where you ran in terms of your route, not just a regular map. 3 points awarded for mile time, and 2 points awarded for the date. So the date of the run must be current. And then your running indoors instructions for those of you that have a treadmill. You can run on the treadmill. Just make sure that after you're done, take a picture and put a post-it next to the dashboard, and make sure you include your full name, the date, and the word of the week, which is season. For this week, it changes from week to week, and you get 4 points total for these items. And then you'll get 3 points for your distance, and you'll get 3 points for your total time. Okay, so all of these must be visible for full credit. If you happen to need to put it in 2 photos, that's fine. Upload 2 photos to me. Okay, and then last but not least, you have your Metaconda instructions, and you get 10 points awarded for uploading 10 minutes worth of your Metaconda workout. Okay, so this is for those of you that can't go outside, don't have a treadmill. You can just and you have a little bit of space in your house, you can do the Metaconda workout. Okay, so let me actually show you where the instructions are first for the Metaconda, and then how to share your route as well. So from modules, you're going to scroll down, and you should be able to find your Metaconda instructions it's in a module. I think it's called extra files or how-to videos. Let me see though. It's probably at the very, very bottom of the screen. So the how-to video instructions. So for how-to, you have your Metaconda instructional video, which tells you how to do it. You have your Metaconda interval timer. So you can play this while you're doing your Metaconda workout, and that'll kind of help you because it has the timer, and it kind of tells you what activity you need to be doing at the current time. Okay, and then for your Nike Run, how to share your route on Nike Run is going to be right here. So if you click on this file, it tells you exactly how to share your route. So basically, after you've completed your run, you're going to touch the dots at the top right hand corner of the screen. So this right here, you're going to click on that, and then this will pop up, and you're going to click share. Okay, so what I want to see is I want to see this screen right here. It has your distance, it has your time, it has your running map, and then once you click the share button on the bottom of the screen, you're going to select route, the option route, which is going to be right here, and then you want to put it to your Nike feed. And then when you do those things, then you're just going to click done. And once you hit done, it will post to your shared routes. That way I can view it. Since we're friends on Nike, I'll be able to view what you've done. If you happen to use Strava, you don't have to do any of these things. It automatically will post to Strava. So that's the good thing about using Strava. But just make sure you also select post, and then everything should post on there. So that way when I view your profile, so these are a few examples of my shared runs that I shared with the class. But it should show up on your post, and you can see it if it did it correctly. If it didn't do it correctly, then just make sure you go back in and do it again. But these instructions are going to be on the how-to module for you. Okay. And then let me jump back into the Metaconda workout. So if you click on here, the Metaconda, it actually shows you the instructional video, tells you how to do the exercises, and then this is the interval timer. So if you click on here, it'll take you straight to your interval timer, and it has the countdown for the entire activity, and it tells you what activity you're doing. And then just remember, green means go, red means stop, or actually red means rest. And you can see the progression of the workout and the rest time. You see how the rest time gradually gets smaller and smaller till there is no more rest time. Okay, so that is the Metaconda workout. And then if you go back to your module, you go back to the actual cardiovascular day. When you go to submit assignment, so say you've already done your run, what I normally will do is I will email myself the screenshot of the photo, and then I save it on my desktop. So what I'll do is I'll go to File, Upload, and then you just click Choose File. So from my desktop here, I have a folder that I actually titled Mile Runs. So if I click on this, I can open up this run. I dated it December 6th. So I just date all my runs to make it easier, so I can, find them a lot easier. Just hit open, and it automatically uploads, and then I just hit submit assignment. And that is the easiest way to upload your assignment. If you see the words resubmit assignment, that means you've already submitted your assignment and you are good to go. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding how to submit your screenshot, please email me through Canvas right here, and I'd be happy to help you out. Okay, thank you. I hope this video was helpful.